Report date February 24th, 2020, 55-188H, 1901, load vehicles on flat car. Classification: unclassified, distribution restriction, proof of the public lease, distribution unlimited, destruction notice, foreign disclosure 1. Assemble the cargo, check with the hanging of the soldier, require the load vehicles on flat car, complete the risk assessment, all Apple publication for records, records, tools, material of the personal equipment, and all of the weather condition, day of the night, operational environment, and some of the iteration of the task in the form of the MOP 4. Stands on orders, soldiers, load vehicles on flat car to AEWC training, circular 413-17 to comply with the warning, caution the note with the reference soldier must perform tasks 100% compliant with the even no-go criteria without injury of the damaged equipment, special conditions, risk, safety, risk, medium, MOP 4, sometimes task, same at the time of the cargo, check at the hand of the soldier, required to load vehicles on flat car, change or non-warning, modification, unauthorized, modification, alteration, installation with the equipment and prohibited to RN with the violation Army Regulation 750-10 with the authorized modification, alteration, installation could result with the damage, injury, the damage of equipment. High pressure hydraulic system has can be caused with a serious injury with a high pressure line with equipment failed with never work on hydraulic equipment unless there is another person who is familiar with the operation and have the equipment who can give first and the second person should stand with the turn over the hydraulic pump with the urgency with the technician. Already, operators must be warned about dangerous areas. Move the machinery has with the carefully operating, working, moving machinery, running engines, rotating shaft with the other machinery parts that cause the personal injury or death, electrical hazards. Whenever possible, the power supply with the equipment should be charged before working on the equipment. Do not mislead lab with the low voltage. Potential of low is 50 volts can cover the death under the diverse conditions. Be careful not to contact 115 volt AC input connections installing operating equipment. Whenever the nature operation, equipment to keep on one hand and with equipment to reduce the hazard of the current flowing through the body. Caution: when you use the ramp, driver should avoid braking suddenly to prevent skidding during the loading and unloading. Heavy track vehicle, the locomotive must couple it with the train with all the brakes applied for light vehicles. And suffice a block wheel for the wagons or ordering stop the vehicle block of the railways. Remarks and notes: none. Performance of the place span of the earlier to plan the bridge distance between the flat cars. 2. The drive of the vehicle to the ramp on a loading. 3. Follow the ground guide with the direction of the ramp at each rail car. Note before loading the flat cars, ground with the ground guide's position. Open per flat car, one on either side flat car. Personnel will walk backwards on the flat car. Load vehicles on rearmost car position, the forward into assigned position, spanner, and ramp. 5. Set the handbrake of the wheel vehicle, wire, block levers, disengage position, all track vehicles, disconnect trailers from vehicles. If connected, the trailers disconnect with the lower landing legs of the semi-trailer, lower support wheels, and semi-trailer. 7. Apply lashing chains. Material of the vehicle's lashing chains are not tightly completely until all blocks and chocks are nailed into place. See figure 36 and 36. 367 and 368. Report activity to supervisor. A brake wheel clearance for each 3/8 of inch diameter allows steel chain extra strength proof tested a minimum of 18,000 pounds front and rear view. Blocking tie down shocks and tie downs. Evaluation guides and performance setup of the task according to the prescribed of the technical manual. Briefs over and the safety precaution performing the task listed. Note: ensure that all the related equipment performance time is available. Go and no go not applicable. Plan performance measures. 1. Place span securely. Place bridge the distance between flat cars. Drive the vehicles to the ramp. Follow the ground guide direction on the ramp on the flat car. Load all vehicle of the rearmost car. Move from the forward to assigned position. Set handbrake on the vehicle, the wire, block vehicles, levers, tactical vehicles, disconnect the trailer if directed, apply securing materials to the vehicle, report activity to the supervisor, supporting references, training circular 413-17 cargo specialist handbook, T-PAM 5519 tie-down handbook of the rail movement, the TM 55-2200 001 12 the transported guidance application blocking bracing tie-down materials railway incorporated tasks and equipment none materials listing belt individual equipment, a railway car, flat and 80 ton and 100, truck cargo, truck tractor, truck cargo, truck utility, coveralls utility, glove leathers, helmet, safety valves, helmet, ground troop protector, hearing, boots, safety, environmental and safety precautions, individual tasks, none, knowledge ID, knowledge of the railway loading operation, skill of name, ability to position blocking bracing materials, ability to perform rail loading operation, ability to drive military vehicles, ability to ground guided vehicles. 55-188H 1901 load vehicles on flat car.